Tim Dean in our Industrial Electrical Maintenance Virtual Open House. Tim is our program coordinator and our veteran instructor. So Tim, can you tell us a little bit about you?
Yeah, again, my name is Tim Dean. I am a certified electrician for the state of Ohio. I'm a Class A licensed electrician. I also carry multiple certifications through the National Center for Construction Education and Research for training in our industrial electrical maintenance program. Students that come into this program and successfully complete it can graduate with NCCR core certification. They can also graduate with multiple other certificates ranging from level 1 and level 2 industrial electrical maintenance, introduction to the power industry, wind and solar, welding, OSHA 10, a variety of industrial grade certifications. So it's a great program to be a part of.
Yeah. So that was going to be my next question is what are they going to learn? But by golly, they're going to learn a lot.
Yeah, well, they get an opportunity for a lot of hands-on experience here. We have at our disposal about approximately $250,000 worth of state-of-the-art training equipment. What we have here are lab volt mechanical or motor control trainers. They'll learn everything from motor controls, basic controls, and start and stop, soft start, resistive start, various timing aspects. These components are all real-world components, just like they would use out in industry. They also get the opportunity to get training on programmable logic controllers, PLCs. And then, of course, we have wind and solar trainers. We have pneumatic trainers, a variety of trainers that we offer a lot of hands-on opportunities, about 200 plus hours of hands-on activities that can be engaged in our program.
Yeah. And one of the things that your program also includes, I know, is job shadowing, internship types of activities. So not only are they learning on the trainers, but they get to see it in action in the real world.
Absolutely. We have several of our associated organizations and companies that support our program that offer job shadowing. Some of our students have actually gone on to be employed by those very companies.
Speaking of employment, what kind of jobs do they get if they learn how to do all this?
Most of the employers in the region requested a training program that could give an individual the basics of introductory to general maintenance, electrical maintenance, and mechanical maintenance. So we have electromechanical trainers as well. So they're going to get an opportunity to have a good, sound introductory level of training for an industrial electrical and mechanical maintenance in our program.
Yeah. What's the demand like? Are they finding jobs?
Yes, they have been. In fact, we've had a great success. Many of our students, after they complete their internship hour and shadowing hours, have an opportunity for employment there, and most of them do end up getting employed.
So it's all about making those connections.
It's all about the connections, and it's all about the real training that they receive here at Madison Adult Ed.
Great. So your program is scheduled to start. We're on track to start normal face-to-face instruction.
At this point, yes, we're on track to start September 8th, and we'll go from 4:30 to 9 o'clock Monday through Thursday, and we'll conclude May 30th of next year.
Okay. And because this program is 600 hours, there is financial aid available to those who qualify. You can fill out a FAFSA, find out if you get Pell Grant. We have a few internal scholarships we can line you up with to apply for. So if you're interested, give us a call, and we'll make sure that you get the information packet.